Take a look at this. This isn't just any old lighter. It's a commemorative D-Day Normandy Zippo. But right now, it looks like it's been sitting at the bottom of the ocean. It's completely encrusted in thick green oxidation, what we call verdigris. The lid is seized shut, and the brass is barely visible. My goal today is to give this piece of history a second chance. First, I have to be extremely gentle while prying it open. If I force that hinge now, it could snap, and then it's game over. Once I finally got the case open, the real horror show began. The internal insert is practically welded to the outer shell by grime. I'm going to submerge the whole thing in a specialized cleaning solution. You can see the reaction starting almost immediately as the chemicals fight through decades of neglect. While that soaks, I'm prepping my tools. For a job this far gone, a simple cloth won't do. We're going to need some serious elbow grease and a variety of brass brushes. Now look at that. After the soak, the green crust is softening up. I'm carefully brushing away the residue, making sure not to scratch the base metal. The most delicate part is this D-Day emblem on the front. It's got fine details that can easily be lost if I'm too aggressive. I'm using a fine-tipped tool to get into those tiny crevices. It's a slow, meditative process, but seeing that original gold-tone brass peeking through for the first time in years, man, that is satisfying. Time for the transformation stage. I'm moving through different grades of polishing compounds. We start with a coarse grit to remove the deep stains and slowly transition to a fine jeweler's rouge. Notice how the light starts to bounce off the surface now? We're going for a mirror finish, but we want to keep that vintage character. This isn't just about making it shiny. It's about honoring the design. Every stroke brings us one step closer to that factory new look. Don't forget the inside. A Zippo is a tool, not just a display piece. I'm stripping down the insert, replacing the old charred wick, and clearing out the flint tube which was completely blocked. A fresh flint and some new cotton to ensure it holds fuel properly. A quick test of the wheel, and we've got sparks. That's exactly what we want to see before the final assembly. Everything is back together, oiled up and ready. The difference is night and day. From a piece of junk to a stunning tribute to history. If you love seeing old gear brought back to life, hit that subscribe button for Hackcraft. Thanks for watching. See you in the next rescue.
You